honor you with my presence. Behold my glory. I now dub thee Night. Well, speak.
Miss Cook.
Excuse me. Her Majesty would be fine. So, then, I shall survey my kingdom for the moment. Well, everything seems to be quite tip-top. Shall we? So it seems that a few things have come to my attention, and really it's imminent that they be discussed. However, these matters are of utmost security and will have to be conducted in absolute privacy. So if you would please silence your video feed so that we may have a word. So my Vian, he does just scads of research, and he had found that colloidal silver had been found to be an effective treatment for Ebola before it actually settles. So it's a good immunity building. I went and purchased this colloidal silver spray delivery. They have nasal delivery, they have spray delivery. It works on many, many things, by the way. So I said, I really feel as if I need some masks, some face masks for traveling. I think it's just a sensible thing to do. Chelsea and I were out on one of our many splendid walks, and we came upon a Sally shop. In this town, it would be called the Salvation Army. We went in there, and I'm poking around, looking around, and tucked in some arts and crafts supplies was an entire sealed packet with each individually sealed face masks. For 50 cents, I must have got 6 or 7 individually wrapped face masks, all sealed in their outer, main package as well. So what I did was I sprayed my mask, face mask, with colloidal silver first, let it dry, and then put it on. Because they say the inhaling of the colloidal silver is one of the best forms of delivery for building the immune system. So, that's one of these sensitive subjects that not many people are privy to. However, because I have dubbed thee Night from the moment that I stepped over the threshold, I feel that you are worthy of having this information bestowed upon you. I'll show you, because when I took that flight from Hawaii and they were talking about all that Ebola, I thought, yeah, coughing. When I cough, and when any person coughs or sneezes, there is an aerosol, a salivary aerosol that comes out of the mouth through the nose. It's a cloud. It's an aerosol cloud, and it spreads up to 40 meters. Depending on wind velocity, air, temperature, humidity, all of these different factors will determine how far a sneeze travels. But a sneeze can travel up to 690 miles per hour. That's how forceful a sneeze is. So when they say Ebola, oh no, and you got all these aerosol droplets.
Right.
Some are large, some are fine.
Yeah.
So when they tell me when I read that Ebola is not transmitted airborne, excuse me.
You can only
I'm stupid.
Right.
If someone coughs or sneezes, I'm breathing in their droplets. I was the only person in the airport, in LAX or in Hawaii,
that had a face mask.
And that was all that was on airline television. All in the airport lounges and that. Ebola this lady with Ebola, this lady in quarantine, this lady being treated. Ebola, Ebola, Ebola. And people are just... Shoot, I was like this. I said, if somebody fucks with me, I'm gonna tell them I'm from West Africa. Shit. I'm from Liberia. Yes, I wear this mask for your protection. I'm from Liberia. But wait a minute, let me tell you what really was funny that happened. My flight from LAX to Fresno, I was seated right next to a West African.
Really?
Now, I know this wasn't by design, but I'm just saying, at least a little, you know, a little something, because even if it's the flu or a common cold, have a little something.
Right.
What if I've got something a little bit contagious and don't even know it yet?
Right.
I'm protecting everyone else from me.
Right.
Really?
Right.
You know, and then trying to, as much as I can, protect myself from. And this is a large, very large enclosed space. It's just common sense. When I see Japanese, when I see Chinese, let me tell you, I see them with these on.
Absolutely.
But for some reason this time, everybody was like, oh, can never happen to me. I don't need a mask. And you know how many Japanese people are in Hawaii? Not one, not one, no one, no one, no one, no one had a mask on. No one. No one. But I did. I sure did. I was thinking of all kinds of jokes to tell too, to put them on red, and I thought, no, because they might not let me on the plane. No. They're not going to let me fly. They're going to put me in quarantine, and I'd just be sitting up there healthy as a horse in a quarantine, knowing I ain't sick, and I shouldn't have made a joke. I'd probably come out sick.